Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of our podcast, Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. I'm your host, Carrie Scharf, and today's episode is going to ring in the holiday season with a sprinkle of creativity and a dash of self-care. I'll guide you through the delightful world of festive homemade lip balms. Why they're a must-have this season, the essential ingredients you need, some fun and festive recipe ideas, tips for wrapping them up as gifts, and how you can join me in a winter skincare and self-care workshop. So let's jump right in. The holiday season is the perfect time to embrace festive scents, flavors, and colors. And why should your lips be left out? You can easily craft lip balms that not only shield your lips from the chilly winter air, but also add a touch of seasonal magic to your daily routine. Whether they're for gifting or a little treat for yourself, festive lip balms are a wonderful way to celebrate the season. DIY lip balms are a cinch to make, and you can control what goes into them, ensuring they are all natural, nourishing, and free of any synthetic additives. Plus, you can customize them according to your festive vibes with various scents, flavors, and even colors. Now that sounds like fun, doesn't it? To whip up your nourishing lip balm, you'll require a few key ingredients. The essentials include beeswax for structure and moisture lockdown, butters like shea, cocoa, or mango for hydration and smooth texture, carrier oils such as coconut, sweet almond, or jojoba to keep lips soft and moisturized, and essential oils for a festive scent. If you fancy a touch of color, you could use mica powders or natural pigments. Let's get our hands dirty, shall we? I'll walk you through some festive lip balm recipes. Combine the beeswax, butter, and oil in a double boiler and melt. Then add essential oils and pour them into your containers. Our first idea, peppermint cocoa lip balm. It combines the cooling sensation of peppermint with the rich aroma of cocoa butter, reminiscent of a steaming cup of peppermint hot chocolate. Use 1 tablespoon of beeswax, 1 tablespoon cocoa butter, 3 tablespoons coconut oil, and up to 12 drops of peppermint essential oil. Next, we have the vanilla chai lip balm. With the warm, spicy scent of chai tea, it's perfect for those cozy winter days curled up under a blanket with a good book. Combine 1 tablespoon beeswax, 1 tablespoon shea butter, 3 tablespoons sweet almond oil, 9 drops vanilla essential oil, and 3 drops cinnamon essential oil. Our third festive recipe is the Cranberry Kiss Lip Balm that adds a subtle red hue and the antioxidant benefits of cranberry oil, which makes it a seasonal favorite. Combine 1 tablespoon beeswax, 1 tablespoon mango butter, 3 tablespoons jojoba oil, 1 TSP cranberry seed oil. Use a pinch of red mica powder for a festive tint. Others including aromatic gingerbread lip balm and playful candy cane lip balm that captures the iconic scent and look of candy canes, both perfect for gifting. For gingerbread lip balm, use 1 tablespoon beeswax, 1 tablespoon cocoa butter, 3 tablespoons coconut oil, 3 drops ginger essential oil, 3 drops cinnamon essential oil, and 5 drops vanilla essential oil. For the candy cane lip balm, combine 1 tablespoon beeswax, 1 tablespoon shea butter, 3 tablespoons sweet almond oil, 6 drops peppermint essential oil, and 6 drops vanilla essential oil. You can also use red mica for a candy cane-inspired look. Once you have your lip balms ready, packaging them up festively can just enhance the entire experience. Use small tins or tubes and decorate them with holiday-themed labels or ribbons. Add a personalized note or tag if they're gifts, or include them in holiday gift baskets or festive stockings. Whether you're braving the chilly winter air for holiday shopping or nestling by the fire, festive lip balms are a simple way to add a touch of Christmas enchantment to your daily skincare routine. They're also a thoughtful, handmade gift that speaks volumes of your affection. On a closing note, if you're all set to upgrade your winter skincare routine and soak in self-care rituals that warm your heart, I'd love for you to join my upcoming workshop, Radiance and Ritual, Embracing Winter with Skincare and Self-Care, available December 21st. This workshop will equip you with knowledge on winter skincare essentials, self-care rituals, and journaling to reflect on your journey and set intentions for the season. Find all the workshop details in the show notes. Remember, winter can be tough on both your skin and spirit, but with the right care, you can glow from the inside out, embracing the season with joy and warmth. I'd love to know your favorite holiday-inspired scent for lip balms, so be sure to drop me a message. That's it for this episode of Plants, Flowers, Oils, and Whimsy. This is your host, Carrie Scharf, signing off. Thanks for joining me, and tune in to our next episode for more whimsical wisdom. Always remember to check the show notes for any links or articles mentioned in today's episode. Happy holidays, folks!